Hey, what's up everybody? Mustang 23T here. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing these paddle shifter extenders. I got these off of Amazon. Really great quality. They're made out of aluminum. And basically these have a perfect fit on the factory shifters. As you know, were designed too small, so these should add an extra value on it. So this comes like this, and comes with adhesive 3M tape. So this gets added onto the paddle shifters, and then you align them to the stock ones and press and hold until they stick on. So very recommended is that you clean the surface and let it dry if you use any alcohol or whatnot, and then that's it. You just apply them at some pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that so you guys can see how they look. Alright guys, so you put one side of the double-sided adhesive 3M tape on the shifter here, and then you align it with the stock paddle shifter, and then you just press and hold for a while. As you can see, I already have one of them installed, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, this is the final product. Let me know what you guys think. Give me your comments, questions below, and I'll go ahead and I'll answer them. Really nice little quick mod for the interior. Makes it look much better. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Mustang 23T. Have a blessed day. I'm out.